Hello, privacy champions and data guardians. This is Himanshu, founder and CEO of GoTrust. While I'm not there in person, my excitement is in full force. Are you ready to revolutionize the way we handle personal data? Because that's exactly what we're going to do today.
In light of these upcoming challenges, today we'll introduce the Data Discovery module of GoTrust. This module is designed to address the very issues that DPDPA compliance will present. While data discovery is central to our system and works closely with the data subject rights and consent management modules, this presentation will specifically explore how data discovery integrates into your system and its primary benefits. We'll show you how it can help your organization navigate the complexities of identifying and managing PIIs in your current IT environment, ensuring you're well prepared for the new regulatory landscape. GoTrust has 200+ industry connectors to connect with various services, like databases, storage, messaging, ML models and dashboards. Along with that, it has industry-specific glossary pre-built into the system to help you identify and tag the PIIs. It will help you in creating the PII Inventory for business automation. Upon successful execution of data discovery run, using regex and NER models, the tool effectively identifies all personally identifiable information, PIIs, in both structured and unstructured data, compiling a comprehensive inventory of sensitive information. This PII inventory provides visibility into how specific PIIs are associated with particular departments or processes in the Record of Processing Activities, RoPA. This mapping allows you to pinpoint any unmapped data and understand how various processes utilize PIIs across your system. The Department Process Mapping feature provides a comprehensive view of how personally identifiable information, PII, is linked to specific business processes or departments within your organization. By visualizing these connections, this tool enables you to easily track and verify that all PII across various departments are accurately mapped and accounted for in your organization's database. This highlights any gaps or overlaps in data handling, helping you optimize processes and maintain a robust data governance framework. This PII Data Stores graph provides a detailed visualization of the flow of personal data records within an organization. It maps the journey of various PII categories, such as personal, financial, and medical information, across different source types, like documents, emails, media files, further extending to different data stores, such as data center, cloud, local. Finally, the data is traced to its geographical locations. This graph effectively demonstrates how personal data is categorized, stored, and distributed across different regions, offering insights into data management practices and potential areas for improving data compliance. The PII map helps you identify the data residency of the company and its users, which are contributing to the PIIs to visualize your user spread. The data discovery process resulted in a suggestive list of PII for inclusion in RoPA and assessments. You can observe a red marker on the screen next to PII section. When you click on the marker, you'll notice some PII are highlighted in red and some are not. This indicates that the data discovery scan has identified additional PIIs beyond those initially documented during the manual data mapping process. It effectively showcases the discrepancies between manual identification and automated discovery, demonstrating the system's ability to uncover previously overlooked sensitive information. Data lineage gets created for the relevant PIIs in the user table.
The Digital Personal Data Act is knocking on our doors and is about to change the game entirely. But here's the question: is your organization ready for this assessment? If you're feeling uneasy about this question, don't worry. That's what I'm here for.
The DPDPA will likely cause a surge in data subject requests, DSRs, as it enhances individuals' data rights, mandates prompt organizational responses, and imposes penalties for non-compliance. Increased public awareness and user-friendly submission processes will further drive the volume of requests, challenging organizations to manage the influx effectively. Starting with the form that subjects request data from. These forms can be customized as per the company need. Once the subject requests for any data, it gets verified and categorized on Task Overview. In the DSR, workflow involves collecting data with consent, processing it minimally and securely, and upholding individuals' rights to access, correct, delete, or transfer their data. Organizations must maintain records, appoint a data protection officer, manage data subject requests efficiently, and report breaches, ensuring ongoing compliance and data protection. The Universal Consent Module centralizes and manages user consent for data processing, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Here the dashboard of UCM. A preference center allows individuals to manage their communication preferences and privacy settings. It empowers users to choose how they want to receive communications, e.g., email, SMS, and to control the types of content they wish to receive, enhancing user experience and ensuring compliance with data privacy laws. In the UCM workflow, users can manually create custom workflows by adding specific triggers. This allows for tailored, automated processes based on user actions, enhancing flexibility and control in managing consent-related activities. Cookie consent involves obtaining user permission to store and access cookies on their device. Websites must clearly inform users about the types of cookies being used, their purpose, and provide options to accept or reject them. Companies can adjust design elements, language, and consent choices to align with brand identity and legal requirements, ensuring a user-friendly experience while maintaining compliance with data protection laws. Vendor risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks associated with third-party vendors. It involves evaluating vendor security practices, compliance with regulations, and overall impact on your organization. Effective VRM ensures that vendors meet security and compliance standards, reducing potential risks to data integrity, confidentiality, and business continuity. Customer onboard the vendor and gather initial details to start the risk management process. Then we conduct an internal assessment to evaluate the vendor's risk level and identify potential issues. For risk vendors, customers can perform a detailed risk assessment to identify specific risks. Customers work on mitigation strategies with the vendor until the risk level is reduced. Now what we see on the screen is Record of Processing Activities, RoPA, workflow. The GoTrust workflow centralizes and collects artifacts in one place, making it easier for auditors to review and manage them. We can add as many collaborators as we want on each workflows. This helps to increase the productivity and completion of RoPA on time. At the top we can see the progress of the controls being completed. On the left side we have subcategories. You see the status of RoPA.
And then you have DAX. So what you have seen is the power of GoTrust Store in action. We have explored this groundbreaking tool that can help you with effortlessly identify and classify the PIIs across your complaint landscape, slash the risk of data breaches and compliance penalties. Save precious time in your data discovery process and show regulators that you mean business when it comes to data privacy. Now I know I have thrown a lot of jargons, a lot of information towards you, and there must be a billion questions in your mind. Well, I've got to get news. Our experts are standing by and ready to give you more personalized demo and take on your learning questions and showcase how GoTrust can revolutionize your data protection structure.